Hello everyone. This video addresses the competency find the equation of the line when given 2 points, or when given the slope and the point, or when given the slope and its intercepts. First, let's find the equation of the line given the slope and y-intercept. Example number 1. Find the equation of the line whose slope and y-intercept are 5 and 7 respectively. Y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation in two variables. So m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So therefore, we will just substitute m with 5 and b with 7. We have the equation of the line. It's y equals 5x plus 7. Example number 2. Find the equation of the line whose slope and y-intercept are -3/2 and 1/5 respectively. Again, y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation in two variables. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So substituting m with -3/2 and b with 1/5, we already obtained the equation. It's y equals -3/2 x plus 1/5. Now, let's find the equation of the line when given the slope and a point. Example number 3. Find the equation of the line whose slope is -8 passing through 3, 4. This is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation in two variables, y equals mx plus b. We already know the slope, but we do not have the y-intercept. So we can find b, or the y-intercept, by using this slope and this point. Substituting y with 4, m with -8, and x with 3. So it's 4 equals -8 times 3 plus b. -8 times 3 is -24. So we have 4 equals -24 plus b. Then adding 24 on both sides of the equation, b equals 28. Now, we have the slope, we have the y-intercept, so we can write the equation of the line. It's y equals the slope -8, then x plus the y-intercept 28. So this is our answer. Example number 4. Find the equation of the line whose slope is 3/5 passing through point -2, 3. Y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation in two variables. We don't have b here, so we can find b by substituting y with 3, m with 3/5, and x with -2. So we have 3 equals -2 times 3/5 plus b. So -2 times 3/5 is -6/5. Adding 6/5 on both sides of the equation, b equals 21/5. Now, we have the slope, we have the y-intercept, so we can write our equation. So it's y equals the slope 3/5, then x plus the y-intercept 21/5. Now, let's find the equation of the line given 2 points. Example number 5. Find the equation of the line that contains point 5, 1 and point 6, -3. We don't have the slope here, and we don't have the y-intercept either. So first we are going to find the slope. And this is our formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we can assign 5 to be our x sub 1, 1 to be our y sub 1, and 6 to be our x sub 2, and -3 to be our y sub 2. Substituting these numbers to our formula, we have m equals -3 minus 1, that's y sub 2 minus y sub 1, over 6 minus 5, that's x sub 2 minus x sub 1. -3 minus 1 is -4, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So that means our slope is -4. Now we need to find the y-intercept, or b. So we can use this point here. So we substitute y with 1, m with -4, and x with 5. So this is 1 equals -4 times 5 plus b. And -4 times 5 is -20. So we have 1 equals -20 plus b. And adding 20 on both sides of the equation, we have b equals 21. Now we have the slope, we have the y-intercept. We can now write the equation of the line. It's y equals the slope -4, then x, plus the y-intercept 21. Example number 6. Find the equation of the line that contains point 10, 2 and point 5, 4. First, we are going to find the slope. This is our formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We can assign 10 as our x sub 1, 2 as our y sub 1, 5 as our x sub 2, and 4 as our y sub 2. Substituting these numbers to our formula, this is what we get. M equals 4 minus 2. That's y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Over 5 minus 10. That's x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, 4 minus 2 equals 2, and 5 minus 10 is -5. So our slope is -2/5. Now let's find the y-intercept, or b. We can use this point here. 10 is our x value, and 2 is our y value. Now substituting y with 2, m with -2/5, and x with 10, we have this equation. 2 equals -2/5 times 10 plus b. -2 times 10 divided by 5 is -4. So we have 2 equals -4 plus b. Then adding 4 on both sides of the equation, we have b equals 6. We have the slope, we have the y-intercept, so we can now write our equation. It's y equals -2/5, that's our slope, then x plus 6, which is our y-intercept. Now, your turn. Find the equation of the line whose slope is -4 containing point 3, 6. Number 2, find the equation of the line containing points 2, -5, and 4, -7. You can pause the video and take your time working on these two items. Now I will show you the answer. For number 1, our answer is y equals -4x plus 18. And number 2, our answer is y equals -x minus 3. Did you get the two equations right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.